Understanding Winter Attire, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to explore a very seasonal topic, winter attire. Whether you're facing your first winter or just curious about English terminology, this video will guide you through the essential vocabulary and concepts related to dressing for cold weather. Winter attire refers to clothing and accessories designed for cold weather. Unlike regular clothes, winter attire focuses on warmth, insulation, and protection against snow, rain, and wind. Common items include coats, gloves, scarves, and boots. We'll delve into each of these in detail. Coats and jackets. The most crucial part of winter attire is the coat or jacket. They come in various materials like wool, down, and synthetic insulators. Important features to note are water resistance, insulation quality, and length. Layering essentials. Layering is key to staying warm. This includes thermal underwear, sweaters, and fleece. The idea is to trap body heat, so materials like wool and synthetic fibers are preferred. Accessories for warmth. Accessories such as hats, gloves, and scarves are not just for style. They protect vulnerable areas like ears, fingers, and necks from the cold. Materials like wool, fleece, and insulated synthetics are common. Footwear. Proper winter footwear, like insulated boots, is essential. They should be waterproof and have good grip to handle icy surfaces. Winter attire can vary significantly based on local climate and cultural practices. For instance, a winter coat in California might be different from one in New York or Moscow. We'll look at how different cultures and climates influence winter dress choices. We hope this video has warmed you up to the concept of winter attire. Remember, the right clothing can make a huge difference in your comfort and health during the colder months. Stay warm and stylish, and see you in the next video.